Playlist link in the description for this bass track and others. Jacob Vile, subscribe if you haven't. 26 hertz is my peak with both windows down. We'll see what it does. Ready?
Yeah. Let me get out of here. Get me out. No, that's too much.
That's awesome.
You keep it open. He's coming in.
Oh, good.
You want to hear it again? You're good.
What's up, man?
Yo.
So, truck's definitely louder now.
I went from 112 to 418s. I have 6,000 watts, so I'm not planning to upgrade power. I'm just staying with what I got and get as loud as I can. I'm gonna upgrade.
61, hit it?
It does 60s on music, 61 burn. I'm trying to get a 60 seal. That was my goal, and I haven't burnt it sealed. Subs are brand new too, but I'm dropping to 11.8. So my goal is to get to 14s and hopefully break a 62.
Hook up my Lithium bank of these things, see which.
I don't. But yeah, I have only a group 75 in that. That's it. Yeah, so here we go. It's louder leaning forward, as you know. Only 1 amp, dude. What you think? Pretty good?
It's pretty loud, dude.
Appreciate it.
It's crazy.
Meter-wise, no, but I got 40% cone area improvement, so that plus quarter wave difference, my loading wall is up about 4 inches farther, so that helps with offloading with sound waves, as well as my ratio is
1 to 5, right?
It's a 5.2. The last one was a 4.5. So I went up almost the whole ratio. So, but I mean, 1 amp. If I put 4 in here, I pop the window. Dude, I pop the window.
You're gonna have to do that, right?
I'm not putting any more power. I'm staying with just 1 amp. We're gonna be buying a house, so I don't want to put finances on it.
Get in here.
Come on, come here. Pretty good though?
It's pretty nasty.
Yeah,
Dude.
appreciate it.
I fucking love it, dude.
And that was 11.8 volts. Imagine if I held 14s. Hey, I can play 17 hertz too. I'll show you.
Don't play that with me in here.
I'll show you after.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's a little louder leaning forward, so if you want the full experience. So you only get 1 chance. Alright, here we go. Right here, look up.
Oh, look there.
I gotta get the 17 hertz.
Yeah. It's all about cone control.
No, it's still groovy.
It does a 48 at 17 with the window down, so I mean that's not bad.
So where are you getting your pulse from?
Playlist link in the description for this bass track and others. Jacob Viral, subscribe if you haven't. 26 hertz is my peak with both windows down. We'll see what it does. Subscribe if you haven't. That was at idle. So only probably about 80 amps of alternator going to the system there. So my voltage doesn't do so well with only about 80 amps at idle. So, but let it charge up for a minute. That was pretty impressive. Subwoofers are breaking in a little bit. I got the subsonic turned down. So that was 26 hertz around where my peak is with how it is here. Definitely low power too. I mean, this is probably, I haven't clamped it with the windows down, but honestly, it's probably under 2,000 watts, 2 to 3K max after rise in voltage drop around that frequency. So it's pretty impressive to see. Hit that like button and subscribe if y'all haven't, as well as I'm gonna be doing some demo songs that people requested. So today, let's go ahead and do that as well. So let's get to it.
I'm telling you, that is insane.
Yeah.
Clip.
Yeah.
I wonder why. My fucking brain was clipping.
Was that pretty crazy?
I'm telling you, that wasn't even it.
I know it ain't. I know it ain't.
Was that pretty crazy?
Hell yeah.
Ever heard
Does it
some-
go back in power mode or whatever? Does it pop back over?
It's because I'm on Ryzen normally like 0.2 or from 0.5, 0.6 to like 0.8. And once it gets a clipping on that, it does that. So, and it's that song because I'm putting the most power out at 47 hertz.
I was going to say, you haven't clipped really at all since you started.
Yeah.
Got the
Anyway,
sound.
that was the experience. Yeah, it was pretty different.
My lungs are rearranged right now. Got an asshole.
His
I
favorite
like no
song.
news.
Church, float it in a minute.
I know you got an asshole.
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to see
Yeah. This is 1 amp though, so it's pretty crazy.
You don't want to sit in here?
No, I'm good. I've already had a taste of it.
So how many?
You handled it a lot better than I did.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.